Inflation just hit its highest level since April 2023. And if you own a home or you're thinking about buying, this number affects you more than you realize. Now, a quick heads up first, I just launched a brand new website and I also do commercial loans on top of residential and both of those nationwide. So whether it's your first house or a commercial deal, I've got you covered. Now, the numbers. Headline PCE rose 0.4% in May, pushing annual inflation to 4.1%, the highest in over 2 years. Core PCE, which strips out food and energy, came in at 3.4% for the year, still well above the Fed's 2% target. Now, here's why that matters for you. When inflation runs hot, the Fed keeps rates higher for longer, and mortgage rates tend to follow. It's a big part of why the average 30-year fixed is hovering around 6.5% today, holding steady instead of climbing. But there's a silver lining. Oil prices have fallen a lot since May, and energy touches almost everything. As gas prices come down, that eases inflation pressure, and if it keeps up, it sets the stage for rates to improve from here. That's the trend that I'm watching closely, as you could expect. Now, on housing, new home sales fell 7.3% to their lowest level in almost 4 years. Between higher rates and higher prices, affordability is still the real challenge, and there's really no way to sugarcoat that. Now, the economy grew at 2.1% in the first quarter, thanks largely to AI investment and government spending. That's healthy, steady growth, which is exactly what you want to see, not a boom and not a slowdown either. Now, on jobs, weekly jobless claims ticked lower, though more folks are leaning on gig work than the data misses. Now, continuing claims are still high, so people are taking longer to land their next role. A softer job market actually tends to pull rates down over time, so keep an eye on that. Now, here's my take. Rates aren't waiting for perfect conditions, and neither should you. The buyers who win in a market like this are the ones who are ready before the opportunity shows up. Realtors, let's get your clients pre-approved and positioned well. Buyers and owners, let's look at your options today, including a plan for when rates do come down. Head to my brand new website for tons of tools and educational materials for consumers and realtors alike at homeloansbakersfield.com. And I will see you next week for another update.